At Safelite Auto Glass, there's nothing we care about more than keeping drivers safe behind the wheel. And the windshield plays a big part in the technology that's making vehicles safer than ever. The ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, are advanced safety features like brake assist, lane departure warning, and pedestrian detection that use cameras and sensors around the vehicle to function. So when the windshield needs to be replaced, the cameras and sensors need to be properly recalibrated. And that takes a dependable auto glass expert that truly understands the system and sees the full picture. At Safelite, we let drivers know their vehicle's recalibration needs when they make an appointment. And we can handle all types of recalibration. Dynamic recalibration, which involves the technician driving at a set speed on a clearly marked road. And static recalibration, which uses target boards unique to car models. It also requires a controlled environment, which is why we handle these in shops with dedicated recalibration bays using specialized equipment. Now, drivers can enjoy the safety and peace of mind that comes with knowing their car's safety systems have been properly recalibrated.